And I tell you, when you go down, you will be surprised how people will forget all that you did when you were up. Hear what I'm telling you. When you go down, it doesn't matter what you were doing while you were up. It will take the mercy of God for men to remember your exploits when you are down. Pride. Run away from pride. Run away from pride. If it is at work in your life right now, bind it, cast it, get it out of your destiny, and say, in the name of Jesus, I desire to last. Make up your mind that I will not be the kind of person whose story will be used tomorrow to encourage someone to say, don't be like this person. Do you know it is better to never rise than to get to a point where your name is written as a memorial, a lesson to encourage people anytime they want to use somebody. Today, every time we talk about in the Bible, we want to